Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $7,000 in passive income using AI tools. The best part? This income keeps coming in every month, even if I stop working today. Before we dive in, remember that results aren't guaranteed for everyone. This takes effort, but if you stay until the end, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make this work for you. Let's get started. Recently I came across a website called There Is an AI for That. This site lists over 31,000 AI tools that can do everything from video editing to content creation, automation, and more. But here's where it gets interesting. I found a specific AI tool that helped me generate passive income month after month. And the best part? I saw a faceless YouTube video talking about similar AI tools, and that video got 74,000 views in just 5 days. That's when I realized there's a huge audience looking for AI tools. Before you start, you need a way to get paid. Here are the best options. PayPal. Sign up at paypal.com if available in your country. Wise Google Wise Payment Sign Up, Stripe or Payoneer, available in many regions. If none of these work in your country, use an AI tool like Grow to find payment alternatives available for you. Now this is where you start making money. Go to There Is an AI for That and browse through different AI tools. Find an AI tool that has high demand and aligns with what people are searching for. Scroll to the bottom of the website and look for the affiliate program link. Sign up and get your unique affiliate link to start earning commissions. For example, I found an AI-powered video editing tool that lets people create faceless YouTube videos. I signed up for their affiliate program and started making money whenever someone signed up through my link. A lot of YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars just by showcasing AI tools. And you don't even need to show your face or record anything yourself. Here's exactly what I did. Find successful AI-related YouTube videos. Search for popular faceless YouTube videos about AI tools. Take a screenshot of the most popular ones. Use Grow AI to generate 20 similar video ideas with clickbait titles. Prepare your video script. Use Grow to analyze the transcript of an existing video. Ask it to generate a 2,000 plus word script in a natural, engaging style. Include the AI tools you want to promote with their affiliate links. Generate AI voiceover and video. Use hen.com to create an AI-generated avatar to narrate the script. Add relevant B-roll footage showcasing the AI tools in action. Download free footage from AI tool websites or screen record their demos. Upload your video to YouTube. Optimize the title and description with keywords, for example, top 10 AI tools you need now. Include your affiliate links in the description. Use eye-catching thumbnails to increase clicks. Share the video on social media and forums. The more AI tools you promote, the more passive income you can generate. For example, one AI tool I promote offers $200 year in commissions for just 120 sales. Some tools pay even more. Once you start earning, go to the payout section of your affiliate account. Enter your PayPal, Wise, or Stripe details. Choose the withdrawal method available. Some programs also offer direct bank transfers. Faceless YouTube videos combined with AI affiliate marketing is a proven strategy for generating passive income. No need to be on camera, no need to record videos yourself. AI tools automate most of the work. If you're serious about making money online, I posted a free course on my channel showing how to create these videos step by step. Check it out. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. My results do not guarantee the same success for everyone. Always do your research before starting any online business. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips.